Hello everyone! Welcome back to Hustle Diaries. I know it's been a minute. I'm so sorry. It's been just really busy for the past days, I think week. But that's the good thing in having a business, an online business, is you can pause for a minute, because life happens and there are just some things that na kailangan natin i-prioritize at the moment. So, medyo magpo-push back ang konti ang ating online business. And that's okay. Because right now, since I'm part-time online business mentor, I can just push it at the back a bit. And then, right now, I'm back, right? So again, welcome back to Hustle Diaries. For those who are new here, I'm Marianne, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. Wife, mom, and someone who's learning that success isn't always about doing something extraordinary. Hello, hello. I'm actually doing a live here in my Facebook and also simultaneously with my TikTok here. So going back, sometimes it's simply about showing up. And today's topic, the power of showing up. Sabi ko lang, di ba? So ito na naman, may tanong ako sa inyo. Have you ever had a day na wala ka talagang gana? Di ba? Pagod ka, busy ka, marami kang iniisip. At ang gusto mo lang naman ay magpahinga. I think marami tayong ganyan. Di ba? Like nowadays, or like, especially with us being parents, or like those people who doesn't have their own family and yet, parang meron kayong ibang mga sinusuportahan na kamag-anak, diba? We have had those days for sure. And honestly, there's nothing wrong with resting. When we need it, of course. But what I've learned is this. We don't always have to do something big. Sometimes, just showing up for our responsibility, show up for our family, showing up for our goals, and showing up, of course, for ourselves. Kasi minsan, akala natin, kailangan natin 100%. Pero truth is, even 10% effort is better than zero. Diba? Even small step, yan, paulit ko sinasabi, is still a step. A little progress is still progress. And I realized that many good things in life happen because people kept showing up. Not because they were the smartest, not because they were the most talented, the most tech savvy, right? But because they stayed consistent. They kept going. And they didn't quit on those days that they didn't feel like it. And over time, those small efforts added up. Kaya kung may mga pinagdadaanan ka ngayon, if you're really like feeling discouraged, if things slower than expected, here's a reminder for today. Just keep showing up. You don't need to have everything figured out, right? You don't need to have all the answers. One day at a time lang. One choice at a time. One effort at a time. So, for today, gusto ko itanong to sa inyo. Right? What is one thing you're proud of yourself for showing up lately? Pwedeng work, family, right? Or your health, or just simply getting through a difficult season. Whatever it is, give yourself credit. Because showing up matters more than you think. Right? Again, thank you for spending a few minutes with me here in Hustle Diaries. Take care, show up always, and I'll see you on my day 28. Bye!